Our most respected leader, His Excellency Barrister Nwuche, and his very colorful delegation led by the life chairman of the Elders Council, Chief Fedi Alabrabra. I welcome all of you. I welcome our senators, both serving and former members of the House of Reps. I welcome all of you. May I stand by the existing protocols? My brothers, Chairman of Council, our leaders, Ben A.K., Queen William, Solomon Bob, and other leaders in Ahuda East. Mekanu, you know, I will not say a few things because our leader has another engagement. When we began this journey in 2023, our leader called a meeting of all the leaders to air their views on where they thought we should pitch our tent. All the leaders spoke their minds. Some were for a different tendency, some were for Asiwaju. But our leader spoke finally and said, we must all stay with Asiwaju. Sink or swim, we must stay with him. He gave us the direction to vote for Asiwaju at the national level and to vote for SIM, which was PDP at the state level. Many of us before they never even knew SIM. But because of the instructions, we all went home to work to see that we delivered Tinubu at the federal level and SIM at the state level. Our leader, Nwuche, is the first leader that has come to tell us thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the sacrifice you made on his instructions to support Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Thank you for the sacrifice you made to elect the River State Governor. Gratitude is very important in life. If somebody has helped you, you should tell the person thank you. So our people are very happy with you. I told the MC to read out the projects you have done in Ekwe land. There are over 22 projects, but he stopped short of all of them. No other governor, I've been here for a long time, since 1999. No governor of this state has made anywhere near the impact made in our people. Therefore, wherever you go, we shall go there. Yes. And may I offer some advice to meddlesome interlopers. Politics is local. Go to your states and show your strength. Leave River State alone. River State has its own peculiar politics, which we all understand. We are a political family. When a leader chooses one of us, we expect that the person should show gratitude and work with all the team. When you divide the team, that is not how to show gratitude. So please, those interfering should please mind their business. Go and show your strength in your various states. Go and win your state for the president, if you can. So once again, I thank our leader and I thank our president for holding him very strongly because he has capacity. He's somebody who is committed. If he gives you a word, he keeps his word. So once more, Mekano, wherever our in-law goes, is where we shall go. Popela, Mekano.
All the East, are we ready?
Nigeria.